So dumelang bagetsho ba kwana ko Lesotho, lebitso la ka ke Titi, ke tlhaga fela gona ko nageng ya Botswana. I hope that I'm nailing my Sesotho because as a Motswana, you think you would understand or you think you can speak Sesotho somehow. Like in your mind, your brain is telling you, yes, you can. That's your language. But then you try and you're like, okay, I'm butchering it. Anyway, I'm reacting to a song from Lesotho today. Halefedile Undrete. Halefedile Undrete. I think the LI is pronounced with a D. At least that's what I would do in Setswana, but it's saying like if it's done, if our love is done, let me know. Right? Sanera, that's the name of the artist. This is the first time I'm reacting to this guy, so I'm looking forward to it. If you are here for the first time, how's all Lesotho? Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Let's go.
Flash guitars.
Matata kawatseva Gigolitaga wariteva Ha kumbata waltaswa sinzijigari gataka utsebe kutsebile
On the wedding day.
Gigolitaga yariteva Chiposo sanga jiriho Ha kumbata waltaswa sinzijigari gataka utsebe kutsebile Hallelujah.
I can see people in Botswana rocking to this song on the wedding day, man. If I was not yet married, this will be like one of the songs that I'm gonna play at my wedding. Beautiful style. Is that just me, or it sounds a little bit churchy? This song, it's like sounds like one of those African churches. I don't know. Do you have it in Lesotho where people dance in a circle, kind of a thing? Church. It sounds like that. I know. Anyway, I'm gonna stop. Yo, fortunately, I can understand this. I don't speak Sesotho, I speak Setswana. So, like I said earlier, for me in my head, I can speak Sesotho, but I know I can't somehow. But I understand most of the words. So, I will try to like summarize the whole song at the end. So, maybe you're not from Lesotho or you don't understand the language. You're like, okay, what are they talking about? I'll let you know. It's pretty wild. So you wanna stick around to the end. Hey. It's a vibe. Hey. Ooh, on the wedding day. Yeah, that's a beautiful story, beautiful song, man. So I promised you I'm gonna translate for you guys. It's a wild story. So it's basically this lady's receiving messages on their wedding day from another man. So he's like, maybe am I not enough for you? Am I not doing all this wonderful? Am I not that? But if that's the case, then you should just let me know. So so we don't go ahead and do all this stuff. I told you it was wild, and this is on the wedding day that all these things is happening. So that's pretty wild. Thank you so much for watching this, man. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye.